Good day guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I'm showing you how to create a gem in Gemini. So in order to create them you actually need to type in Gemini gems in your Google search, okay, and then go to gems. Okay, and in here as you can see you can build custom experts with gems. So you go try Gemini in here. So as you can see, if we go into our Gemini, we will have the gems, right? So you press on this little thing, this tab, and as you can see, we can now create. So instead of just using the pre-made ones from Google, pretty much templates, right? Just press on new gem, and in here you specify the name for your gem, description for it, so what it does, instructions, very important, do not ignore this. So you can see what are your gem's main objectives and capabilities and what style of response should you do you want, right? Got it. Then the default tool. So this is pretty much what kind of a form of the content you wish to create. Generation of images, creating a canvas, deep research about something, creating music, or just some learning, right? So just choose what you want. And then the knowledge. So if you, for example, you share this gem, the title of the gems attached will be visible. So yeah, you can use this as well. So this is for the reference. You can upload files, photos here, upload from your Google Drive. Yeah, just pretty much provide information. And also you will have a preview of your gem. As you can see in here, you will see it. And yeah, this is pretty much your gems guide, guys. Enjoy the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.